My name is Alexandra Lopez. I am 34 years old. I am from Cali, Colombia. And I live in Restrepo Meta. I am a housewife and I am not professional yet. My hobby is cleaning the house. I live with my husband, my daughter, and grandmother. I am an engineering student. My favorite TV show is Naruto, and my favorite sport is ride the bicycle. This is my family. I live with 3 people of the family. My grandmother is Blanca Nubia Marie. She is 68 years old and she likes to embroider. She is from Pereira, Risaralda. My grandmother is very loving. She is short, her eyes are brown and she has white hair. My husband is Carlos Castro. He is 30 years old. He works installing in Ornato. He is from Villavicencio. My husband is very nice. He is mestizo. His eyes are brown and he has black hair. My daughter is Brianna Castro Lopez. She is 2 years old and she is from Villavicencio. My baby is playful. She is very loving. She is short. Her eyes are brown and her hair is long.